No download locally. No black screen. This video is going to show you how to deploy Stable Diffusion in 1 minute on Novita AI GPU instance. Visit Novita AI GPU instance page and start deploying. Choose Stable Diffusion template and GPU, and you can modify the disk and configuration settings or leave it default. Then easily deploy. After a short time cloud downloading, you can connect to HTTP service, which is the user interface of Stable Diffusion. And now you can apply this GPU instance to whatever you want. Text to image and image to image are simple to operate. Besides, you can also try in-paint and out-paint. Apart from HTTP service, we welcome developers integrate this GPU instance to your own application to feel the power and creativity. Comparing with other models, Stable Diffusion now plays really well indeed. You can know more about our GPU instance in docs. Check these on Novita AI.